Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine. So, this is EVS class, right? So, first, all of you take your semester 2 textbook, then pencil, erasers, everything. Just go and take now. Okay, so today we are going to see the second chapter, People Who Help Us. This chapter we are going to see this class. Okay, shall I move to the class? Did you all take your textbook? Pencils, everything? Okay, shall I move to the class? Okay, ma'am. So, in this chapter, what we are going to see means the helpers around us. Okay, maybe it may be at school or it may be inside or outside our home. Okay, whatever it may be. So, we are going to see the helpers around us. Okay, children. So, first we are going to see the helpers at school. Okay, school means teacher, school bus driver, school caretaker, school guard. Okay, then we are going to see the helpers inside and outside home, like milkman, plumber, postman, cook, policeman, soldier, carpenter, doctor, gardener, and also we are going to see more helpers. Okay, children, this page, it's homework for you. Okay, so identify and color the pictures of the people who help us. Okay, now all of you take page number 30, page number 30. First, we are going to see the introduction. Okay, helpers around us. Basically, we need some helpers to do something, right? Your kids, for you need teachers for teaching, right? Without teaching, you can't able to learn or write. Correct, ma'am? So, for that purpose, for your kids, you need teachers, right? For everything, they need helpers. So, we cannot do everything on our own. So, we have people to help us. Some people help us at school, right? So in school also some people will help us, and some help us at home and outside. They are called helpers. Okay, so one by one we are going to see in this class. First is helpers at school. So helpers at school. See, first is helpers at school, and the first helper is teacher. At school means the first helper, obviously it is the teacher, right? So the first person in school means the first person, what you will think, it's a what it will come in your mind, obviously it is a teacher, right? So did you all like me? Did you all like your EVS teacher? Whether she is helping in learning? Okay, I hope you all will say yes. Okay, children, very good. So what's the first one? Teacher, right? So teacher, she is playing a major role in students' life, right? In teaching, I'm saying about teaching. In teaching, more than parents, the teacher is playing a major role, right? For your welfare, for your better life, right? So the first person who comes to our mind when we talk about school is our teacher. When we are talking about school, what it will comes in your mind? Obviously it is a teacher, right? It's your ma'am. You will call as ma'am, correct? So teacher means the first person who comes to our mind when we talk about school is our teacher. Our teacher teaches us, right? Now I am teaching EVS. If I am not teaching means whether you will open the book or whether you will read or write. No, because you are kids, you need one helper for learning, right? So our teacher teaches us. She helps to learn. She helps us learn to read and write. It's a major work, right? For your kids, what you need to do? You have to read and write. For that purpose, the teachers, they are helping, right? Not only EVS, every subject, the teachers, they are helping you to read and write, correct? So in that education department, in that school department, who is your helper in learning? Teacher, right? So the people around us, who helping around us in education is your teacher. Okay ma? So you have to obey your teachers, you have to be disciplined with your teachers, okay? So the first is helpers at school is teacher. The next one, it's a school bus driver. He is the person who can drop and pick you in the school, right? When your parents, they can't able to drop you or they can't able to pick up you, means they will allow you to go in a school bus, right? That school bus, who is your helper? That school bus driver is your helper. He only driving the bus in a safely manner and he will pick up and drop, right? So the school bus driver drives us safely in the school bus, right? He picks up and drops us at school at the correct time. He takes care of the school bus. He sees to it that it is in good condition always, right? So the school driver, he is your helper in the bus, in the school bus. He will drop you and he will pick up you. Okay ma? So first helpers at school means first it's a teacher, then it's school bus driver, and then we can move to school caretaker. Okay, he is the school caretaker, means he will take care of the building, of the school building. He will allow all of us to keep the school building in a clean and tidy manner, right? So the school caretaker takes care of the school building. He checks if the school is neat and tidy. Okay ma? School caretaker means he will take care of the school building and he will make sure that the school is in a good condition and it is a clean and in a tidy manner. That's the work of a school caretaker, and he is also one of the helper, right? He is taking care of the school building. So he is also one of the helpers, the school caretaker. And then school guard. You all know that in the security, in the entrance place, there will be a security room, and that security is called as school guard. When we go to school, we see a security guard at our school gate, right? He will be wearing a uniform. He will stand in the reception, in the entrance place. The security room will be there. In that place, he will be present, right? So what's his duty? He will protect from any other like thieves or some others. So he will take care. The guard take care of the safety of students and staff. Okay, and also he will take care of the building also. He will take care of the school also, and also he will protect the school students and also the school staff. Okay children, and also the school staff. So when we go to school, we see a security guard at our school gate. This guard takes care of the safety of students and staff. And also see this newspaper. This newspaper hawker delivers newspapers door to door before we get up early in the morning, right? This newspaper man. So this is all about helpers at school. Who are the helpers? Teacher, school bus driver, school caretaker, and school guard. Okay ma? And what's the next heading? Helpers inside and outside home. And the first man is milkman. See, every morning we like to drink tea or coffee or Horlicks or Boost, anything, right? For each one we need milk. Milk is the basic for everything, right? So this milkman, without this milkman, whether we can able to drink the milk? No. For that purpose, we are needing a help of a milkman. So every morning people like to have a cup of tea, coffee or a glass of milk. So our milkman delivers the milk at our homes every morning. Before we wake up, the milkman will deliver the milk in our homes, right? When we are wake up, our parents, they will give the milk or tea or coffee, right? So this milkman, he will deliver the milk to every home. Okay, children? And then plumber. Plumber means in our homes, water supplies will be there, right? If any problem in that water supply means immediately we can ask the help of a plumber. He will tackle that and he will correct it, right? So when there is a problem with water pipes, drains or taps, we call the plumber to fix them. See, in that wash basin, this tap, some mistakes, it occurs in the tap. So he is rectifying the mistake and he will clear it. He will fix it. Okay, ma? That's the work of a plumber. And the next one is postman. Postman, you all know that this postman, he will deliver the letter. When we are posting, he will collect that post and he will deliver to the particular address, right? The postman delivers the letters that we post to our family members or relatives who stay far away. He works at the post office and then cook. So, if it is a big house or the parents, they are working, they are going for work, means they will appoint one cook, right? So, he will cook for everyone. He will do a variety of cookings and he will cook for everyone, right? So, some houses have, in some houses, the parents, the mother, she will do cooking, right? But in some home, the parents, they will go for job in the early morning itself. So, they can't able to do cooking for you. So, in that case, they will appoint one cook in the home for cooking. So, some houses have specialized cooks who are meant for cooking. The cook prepares meals for the family. Okay, children? And then policeman, you all know that policeman, he is a safeguard for us, right? He will help us to protect us from thieves or like any other problems. Okay, a policeman protects us from thieves. He helps us live safely. He catches thieves and protects us. He helps us live in peace. If policeman is not there, means whether we can sleep in the night peacefully? No, right? So we have to awake in the full night, right? Without policeman, we can't able to sleep in the night. Or in the morning also, we can't able to go somewhere or anywhere in the morning or the whole day peacefully, right? So these policemen, with the help of these policemen only, we are living peacefully. And also the soldier, right? So he is protecting our country from the enemies. So only we are living peacefully. He fights for our safety. He risks his own life to help and save us. Okay, children? And then carpenter, he works with wood. So he makes new tables or doors or windows, cots and cupboards. He also repairs them whenever there is a problem. If there is problem in the cupboard or if there is problem in the door or window or cot, if you are asking a help from him, he will immediately rectify that. Okay, ma? So a carpenter works with wood. He makes new tables, doors, windows, cots and cupboards. He also repairs them whenever there is a problem. Okay, children? The doctor, you all know that when we are feeling sick, we will call the doctor. Doctor, it's a very important person. So when our family members fall ill means when we are becoming sick, we call on a doctor. A doctor treats sick people. He gives them medicines and cure them. And gardener, you all know that he will take care of our garden and he takes care of plants and trees in the garden. He makes our neighborhood and our homes green and colorful. You all know that. This gardener means he will take care of the garden. He will plant more trees and the flowers will bloom. It will be looking like more awesome one. Okay, fabulous one. And then more helpers. Who are the helpers in the society, like barber, tailor, cobbler, porters, firemen, farmers, shopkeepers, etc. Okay. Barber means gives us a haircut. Tailor means stitches or clothes. Cobbler means mends or shoes. Porter, he will help us to carry a heavy luggage in the railway station, right? And fireman means puts out fires. Farmer grows our food crops. Shopkeeper runs a shop. His work is selling various things, right? He's a barber, tailor, cobbler, porter, fireman, farmer, shopkeeper. So these helpers, they will make our life easy and comfortable, right? So we should be very kind of them and we should treat them with respect. Okay, children? So now it's a glance. So teacher means they will teach us the teacher teaches children. What are the things they will use? Chalk, pen, duster. Postman means he will deliver letter, bag, bicycle. Doctor means treats sick people. What he will use? Thermometer and stethoscope. Policeman keeps our neighborhood safe. Whistle, baton. Carpenter makes furniture. Hammer, nails and screwdriver are the things he will use. Fireman means puts out fires. What he will use? Ladder, hose. Then school caretaker, maintaining cleanliness. What he will use? Duster, broom, mop. Like that. Milkman delivers milk. Barber means gives us a haircut. Tailor stitches clothes. Shopkeeper means sell things in his shop. Plumber, gardener, cook, porter, cobbler, you all know. Soldier means they will protect our country. So in this chapter we learned about our helpers, right? So in the next chapter, next class, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the exercise portion. Okay, ma? So keep learning, keep reading this lesson. Okay? The next class I will teach the exercise. So this class you just make a read. Okay, ma? So take care. Bye-bye. See you all.